How to effectively iterate over collections in Swift. Hi, this is Aishwarya from Bitcode and let's talk about for each loop in Swift. To understand this, we will create an array of numbers and we will have certain elements in the array. I will be iterating over this array by using for each loop. Now for each number in. Now here we would print the number and I would run this to check the output. So here we are getting the elements from the array by using for each loop. So this is effective way of iteration. Also, I can do it in another way, for each. And instead of mentioning anything, what we would do is we would directly use a print statement and we can print the values by using $sign. So if I say print $0, then I would get the similar output as I was getting by this syntax. Now let's check. I'm getting all the elements by using print $0. Now this was the for each loop on arrays. Now let's check how to iterate by using for each loop on dictionary. Now I would define a student dictionary and here I would define some key value pairs, the first name and the first name will be Pallavi and I would define another key as roll number and I would say the value is 10. Now here you use a separator. For iterating over this dictionary, if we use for each loop, here I would say for each. And here I would use a key value. And to print, we would say print depending upon the key value. So here key and value. Now if you run this, you will get the dictionary key value pairs. So this is the key value pair from dictionary and we can do the same thing by using student.forEach. I would just directly say print and in this print you can use $0 as we had used in arrays and $1 and this will print us the key value pairs from the student dictionary. Let's check. Now again we are getting the same output as we were getting by using key value pairs in the closure. So simple ways to iterate over collections. Now we will see another application of for each loop. We can pass a function to the for each loop. I'm defining a function multiplication and I will be having for n of type integer and I will print n into 2. Now we will apply for each loop on a range and we can print a multiplication table of 2. So I would be applying for each loop on 1 to 10 and I would say for each and to this for each I would be passing the function multiplication. Now let's run and check this. We are printing a table of 2 by using a function and passing that function to the for each loop. So here we are writing a function for multiplication and we are passing this function to for each loop and we are applying that on 1 to 10. So this n is representing the range of integers from 1 to 10. So each number will get multiplied with 2. Thanks a lot.